11 of Bukit Panjang Primary, P5, weighted assessment paper this year in 2021, question 8 of paper 2. Note that this question appeared in the PSLE in 2009, and it can be solved using our strategy L size is common. Let's take a look at this question. May had two strings of the same length. Let's draw out a diagram to visualize it. The two strings of equal length. And for the first string, she cut it into lengths of 90 cm, 90 cm. We don't know how many 90 cm she cut it into, so we're going to put dot, dot, dots. And for the second string, she cut it into 1.2 meters, and we don't know how many 1.2 meters she cut it into, so we're going to write dot, dot, dots. Since we know these two strings are of the same length, so we are expected to find the lowest common multiple for 90 cm and 1.2 meters. So before we start to find that, let's convert our 1.2 meters to 120 cm. By using our strategy, you will be able to find that the lowest common multiple is 360 cm. So let's write out the information that we see in figure 1 and figure 2. In figure 1, two big balloons are attached to the 90 cm. And for 360 cm, there will be 8 big lanterns. And for the second figure, 120 cm, 5 small lanterns. And for 360 cm, we have 15 lanterns. And another important information given in this question is there were 105 more small lanterns than big lanterns. So 105, you need to understand that is the difference between the small lanterns and the big lanterns. So this is in fact the total difference between the big and the small lanterns. If we look at what we have found over here, we found out that there are 8 big lanterns and 15 small lanterns. So in fact, this difference here is only 7. So we'll take this to be our one set, and we'll be finding the difference, and that gives us 15 minus 8, which is 7. Now that we have found our one set, we are going to find our number of sets from the 105, which is the total difference given in this question. So we can use 105 to divide by the 7, which is the each difference per set. So that gives us 15 sets. And once we have found the number of sets, let's look at what the question wants. The question wants the lanterns altogether. Now, since we know that there are 8 big lanterns and 15 small lanterns in one set, that will give us a total of 8 plus 15, which is 23 lanterns in one set. And since we know that there are 15 sets altogether, we can use 15 to multiply by 23, and that gives us 345 lanterns. So the answer to this question is 345 lanterns altogether.